Hi, I am Qamruddin. I am a motivational author, a shayer, a speaker, and an international table tennis player. I have written 8 motivational books, some fictions and some non-fictions. I have posted videos about motivational topics, Urdu and English language, शेरो-शायरी and table tennis. कशिश, अट्रैक्शन, खिंचाव। मुख्तलिफ शायर्स के शेर के कलेक्शन में से चंद पसंदीदा शेर आपके सामने पेश कर रहा हूं अट्रैक्शन के ऊपर। उसके साथ उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन भी होगा इंग्लिश में। उम्मीद है कि आपको ये पसंद आएंगे। ये हसीन शोख नजरें, ये दबा दबा तबस्सुम, मुझे इस तरह न देखो कहीं प्यार न हो जाए। These beautiful glances, charming smile, mild charming smile on your lips. Do not look at me like this, lest I started loving you. करीब आओ तुम्हें देख लूं मैं जी भर के, बहुत दिनों से तुम्हें देखने की हसरत है। Come near me and let me look at you to my heart's content. I have a passionate desire to look at you for a long time. तुझसे मिले न थे तो तेरी आरज़ू में थी, देखा तुझे तो तेरे तलबगार हो गए। I had no desire to meet you until I had seen you, but became infatuated when I saw you for the first time. वादा था बड़ा देखेंगे हुस्ने सरापा, बस एक झलक देखी बेहोश पड़े हैं। He had an audacity to look at my charming beauty, but as soon as he looked at me, he lost his senses. देखा कि ये वो मस्त निगाहों से बार बार, जब तक शराब आई कई दौर चल गए। She continued looking at me intermittently. There were many servings of glasses before wine actually arrived. देखा तो हजारों बार मगर तस्कीने निगाहे दिल न हुआ, हर बार लगा कुछ ऐसा ही जैसे कि अभी देखा ही नहीं। I had seen her thousands of times earlier, but my heart's glances were not satisfied. Every time I felt that I have not even looked at her. तेरी मखमूर निगाहों के तकाजे तौबा, फिर छलकती हुई बरसात, खुदा खैर करे। The persistent demand of your drowsy eyes is enormously romantic. To cap it all, there is continuous, unremitting drizzle. Only God can save me. तुमको चाहूं तो खता क्या है बता दो मुझको, कोई तो दूसरा अपना सा दिखा दो मुझको। What is my mistake if I love you? You are unique. Show me if there is anyone else like you. उफ, ये यादों का तसलसल, ये ख्यालों का हुजूम, छीन ली आपने मुझसे मेरी तन्हाई भी. उफ, कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ योर longings, cravings and crowdings of your continuous thoughts about you. You have robbed me my privacy also. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Please click thumbs up, bell icon so that you do not miss my subsequent videos. If you want to ask something, please let me know in the comment section below. I will be glad to respond.